Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the vibrant and delicious world of heirloom tomatoes. If you're a food enthusiast or just love exploring unique and flavorful ingredients, you're in for a treat. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things culinary. Now, let's get started. Introduction to heirloom tomatoes. So, what exactly are heirloom tomatoes? Well, they're not your average tomatoes you find at the grocery store. Heirlooms are open-pollinated varieties that have been passed down through generations. They come in a dazzling array of colors, shapes, and sizes, each with its own distinct flavor profile. Today, we'll be exploring some of the most fascinating aspects of heirloom tomatoes. The color palette of heirloom tomatoes. First off, let's talk about the incredible diversity of colors. From the rich, deep reds to vibrant yellows, oranges, and even purples, heirloom tomatoes are a feast for the eyes. Each color corresponds to a unique combination of nutrients and antioxidants. It's not just about taste. It's about nourishment too. Flavor profile. Now, let's address the star of the show. The flavor. Heirloom tomatoes are renowned for their rich, complex taste. From sweet and tangy to savory and earthy, there's a spectrum of flavors waiting to be explored. We'll be tasting a few varieties later on, so stay tuned for that. Growing heirloom tomatoes. Thinking about growing your own heirloom tomatoes? Well, you're in luck. These tomatoes are surprisingly easy to grow, and they thrive in diverse climates. Whether you have a garden, balcony, or even just a sunny windowsill, you can enjoy the pleasure of growing your own unique and flavorful tomatoes. Tasting experience. Alright, it's time for the moment we've all been waiting for. The tasting experience. I've got a selection of heirloom tomatoes here, each with its own story and flavor. Let's dive in and explore the delicious world of heirloom tomatoes together. Cooking with heirloom tomatoes. Heirloom tomatoes aren't just for eating fresh. They're fantastic in the kitchen too. From caprese salads to homemade salsa and sauces, the possibilities are endless. I'll be sharing a quick and easy heirloom tomato recipe, so stay tuned for that as well. And there you have it, a journey through the fascinating world of heirloom tomatoes. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary adventures, I hope you're inspired to explore the diverse flavors and colors that heirlooms bring to the table. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more culinary explorations. Until next time, happy cooking. Thanks for joining me today. If there's a specific ingredient or topic you'd like me to cover in the future, let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video. Bye for now.